During last summer, I went to a huge flea market in France. And I bought a vintage medium format camera. A month ago, I decided to use the camera and to shoot some images with it. And when I opened the back to charge some new film, I saw that there was some undeveloped film in it. What kind of photos could be on this film? Well, I see 4 options. Well, no, not really, I see 5 options. Photos shot in Soviet Union. Photos shot by a tourist visiting France. Photos shot by a French photographer. The film is just too old and I will discover nothing on it. And finally, there's still the option of homemade porn. And that's not a good option. I decided to ask for the help of a great photo lab, Nation Photo in Paris. They have all the tools to develop modern and old film for pro photographers. When the film started to exit the machine, I saw nothing. And I started to think I should be prepared to just never publish this video. But then...
Les images à la fin.
Ah ouais!
Avec des personnes et des familles.
There were 5 images on the film, and according on how bad they looked, they must be really old. So let's investigate. Where was it shot? The first clue is on this photo. They are having French baguette for lunch. So the film was probably shot in France. But can we be more precise? It seems that this photo was shot inside a train or a subway. One word is easy to read, Hakeim. And I think I know this place. Now we know it was shot in Paris. But when was it shot? Judging by the costume and the furniture style, it was pretty hard to know if it was from the late 60s or late 70s. And that's when I saw a weird object in the background, a box with the word Gamma on it. Gamma is a laundry powder brand that you can buy in France. But the modern packaging doesn't look like the one in the photo. I did my research and after a long time I finally found this ad from the 80s.
De hamburgers, de glace aux fruits. Pour des super tâches comme ça, je voulais une nouvelle lessive.
Alors voilà le nouveau Gamma Performance Propreté. C'est ça la performance Gamma.
Et à ce prix-là, moi j'hésite pas.
And we have a match! So it means that it was shot around 1986. meaning that the kids in the photos must be around 40 to 35 years old right now. I would love to find these people and give them the original negatives, because it's part of their family's history. Don't forget to like and share this video to help finding them, and subscribe to know if we did.